So yeah, the BOSE sound speaker system is fixed. Don't ask me how I fixed it, but I'll show you what I went through to attempt to fix it. So I went online to Bad Caps, for example, made a request to get some help, put some information, put some photos. So I did a lot of measurements. Like, oh, I'll show you another photo, one sec. So I've posted online photos. That's the backside resistor measurements to ground. This guy basically showing what they are, what the measurements were. Fuse good, diodes are okay, replacing voltage drops, no continuity on all these caps. This is the front side unmodified. Other components, you know, just letting them know what they are so they can try and help me out. Transformer, that's the transformer resistance. I'm not sure how the wiring is, but that's what they ended up with, the measurements. And some voltage readings, which was dangerous to get. There's high voltages all around. Basically this secondary side was never getting power. And I post more pics for them as well, which was shared on Google Drive. Yeah, so basically making requests and people attempted to give some information, and I used this kind of setup to protect myself, which is the light bulb in series mode with the AC inline with switch, and then going into the power to the board. Also went to this forum, Australian Electronic Enthusiasts Group, posted some pictures there. I try to get some help from there too. Not much help, but you know, it helps you with the tinkering process. And finally, I got it to work. It is currently working, so I'll show it to you here very quickly. It will be picked up soon. So there will be a yellow blinking light shortly. Oh, geez, so heavy. There we go. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'll be right back. So the main purpose of this video is to do a close-up of the entire job, because there's no way I could record 4 or 5 hours of diagnosing, trying to find faults over a few days. So how did we fix this? Answer is I don't know. But what I did is, I'll show you what I did. I'll show you. Okay. See these guys here or no? Yeah, these guys. See these MOSFETs? No, these coils, these diodes, sorry. these diodes, I have simply shorted each side out. Short, short, short. I think maybe, I don't know, static electricity built in, I'm not sure. Replacing this guy is not the solution, J401. This guy had low resistance on either side, a big voltage drop on either side, which is normal. I think this design has an issue, this motherboard design, and I really don't know what it is. But after resetting these guys, shorting with diode mode, make sure there's no power, I went ahead and see, caps, capacitors, yeah. Like see, these are the caps on the other side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, which are these guys here. I've reset them as well by shorting them out. So it was a matter of doing a lot of resetting of all the components. This particular capacitor looked like it was damaged, but it was not. It measured well, so nothing to do there. Yeah, that's the closure for this job. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.